regeneration it's such a good concept because it's not a concept. It's innate to our soul, to our heart, to our being.
Yes, we can be positive beings, so we can regenerate all together and we can learn how to thrive together in this planet again. If the decisions are regenerative, then it can start blooming again and building up again, and we can stop the destruction and life can thrive.
The key to regeneration is biodiversity, as much as possible. Everyone will become happier if there's more nature around it. I think everyone will feel more at ease if you walk through a forest, if you swim, if you dive. If you are surrounded by nature, it eases your mind.
Life itself is crawling, flying, walking carbon. So the ultimate way to sequester carbon is just to restore ecosystems.
So while these entrepreneurs are the basis, we need all of society. And we warmly invite you to join, to put life central with everything we do.